welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I am going to be selecting my canvas choice for the hashtag Pam Party event, which I am hosting starting on September 1st. So I will leave a link to the information video all about the event, and I will leave a link to the Google Doc down below. But now, let's pick my canvas. First of all, you need to know that I'm a bit of a Pam fan and I have several to choose from. So I'm going to pop some pictures up for you to see. We have got Watching You, which is one that I have started, but I haven't got very far with. We've got Sunshine Blooms, gorgeous, gorgeous goddess themed, very summery painting. Tianlong, purpley, dragony, gorgeous. I've got Cherry Blossom Breeze from Sarah Rose. Sarah Rose is also sponsoring the event with a piece of her original artwork. I have got two Twin Peaks canvases, one based around Agent Cooper and one based around the Log Lady. I have got Moth Shearing Season from Sarah Rose. I have got Floating Islands, which was my most recent unboxing from Pam. And I have a small little canvas of Wendy Witch. So I am now gonna turn my decisions over to the tiny decision making app and see what canvas it chooses for me. Okay, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Twin Peaks. Sarah Rose! Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, brilliant. Excellent. I'm so pleased. So, for the event, I will be working on Moth Shearing Season from Sarah Rose. Honestly, that couldn't be more perfect. It's a really big painting, but I'm not going to beat myself up if I don't finish it. But I am looking forward to working on it. Some lovely colours, lovely purples, some sparkle. I'm very excited. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Let me know down below if you're going to be taking part in the event as well. Hopefully you are, and you have your Pam canvas ready. If you are looking to get something last minute, it's always worth checking out Pam's group on Facebook. Sometimes there are last minute sales. It's also always worth checking out people reselling. I've had some real good luck recently buying from Vinted, so check that out. I'm going to leave this here and go and kit up my new painting. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay crafty!